Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making the camera your scanning tool. Make sure camera permissions are on and any QR scan toggle is enabled. This lets the system detect codes. Open the camera app or a trusted QR reader now and point toward the book's QR code. Hold the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches away and center the code in frame. Once the code is visible, the device will begin analyzing it automatically. That's how the camera transforms an image into a usable link. Once the camera recognizes the QR pattern, you'll see a notification or overlay with a preview. This shows the decoded link or action, so you know what you're opening. Tap that notification to preview the web page, file, or app content before following through. If the camera doesn't detect the code, try moving slightly closer or farther, changing angle, or switching to a dedicated QR app which can handle poorly printed codes. Make sure the app has storage and network permissions so it can fetch the content. You can now open the link and verify that it points to the expected publisher or resource. That step prevents unwanted content. If it's a downloadable ebook or reader page, save it to your reading list or download the file to your device so you can access it offline. Capture a screenshot or copy the URL for reference. If something goes wrong, clean the camera lens, increase ambient light, steady your hands, or use another phone. Those quick fixes resolve most scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.